What's up, y'all? It's Scapegoat here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the sound you just heard and how to recreate that using the Vital synth. Everything is in the description down below. So once you have Vital open, you can go ahead and start getting two square waves going on, and you can do that over here using the basic shapes. And you just select square, do it again, right here. And in doing this, you're going to want to set the octave down to about -24 if you're starting from middle C. And you should get that classic saw wave, or I'm sorry, you should get that classic square wave. On the first one, you could set the unison to 2, but take down the detune down maybe to like 4 or 5. Give it some width. The second one, you can keep it at 1 and make sure it's at the center. Then go ahead and you can use filter 2. Make sure oscillator 2 is going through filter. You can use filter 1 and make sure both oscillators are going through. And a big key to this sound is actually the filter itself. In this case, I used the comb filter. It is the band spread Flange Plus. And this you can really just apply to taste. Sometimes I match it to like the key note. In this case, I'm playing an F. So I kind of match it to what kind of sound like an F if you can hear the flange on top. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can also put up the attack right here a little bit if you want a little bit of a Next, you can add some multiband compression here. Turn down the highs a little bit. And then you can turn up the lows. Turn down the mix a little bit. Then you can apply some distortion here. This is all to taste as well. I like hard clip. And you can apply that same envelope to the drive. And maybe take down the modulation amount a little bit. And maybe bring down the bass. Lastly, you can add some flange to it, some flanger, and you can turn down the feedback, just put it all the way in the center here, and the depth. And you just kind of keep it at a consistent little like flanger going off the top. You could also apply the same envelope to the mix. But in this case, I'm going to, I like the way it sounds when it's just all the way up. And that's basically how you get the sound. For more ideas or if you have requests, feel free to leave them in the comments. And till next time.